There, you happy? Flying dildo.
Hello? Can I be here? You can stand there.
Look, I'm recording the fire for like
I
a good.
wanted to say hello. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Poof's face is so zoomed in on that because I've zoomed into the fire.
Oh my god. But the joke is my YouTube channel, so you don't need to
John's YouTube video is going to be so epic. Look, Paige. Paige, look, it's going to be so epic. Wait, I had it earlier. Look at this, Paige. Look, Paige, it's recording. Look, Paige. Paige. Look, it's recording.
let me stand in my face. And then they just burst. Okay, stand up recording. He said it's not going to look cool when the fireworks come.
This fire is going to be the end of all humanity. Don't tell Jordan that I'm talking to you on this video. A girl just said the fire smells delicious.
That's so weird.
I've seen 3 people I know and I hate one of them.
I hate all 3 of them.
You don't even know one of them. Let's just expose her. Do you want me to say her name? I'm gonna expose this girl. She's a bitch. Her name is
Shampoo it at the
Trinity.
Shampoo it, point it up so they can see all the sparks. See all the sparks that are coming off. See.
They're gonna murder someone. They're gonna fly over here.
I want them
they're gonna go in Paige's face like.
I want to touch him.
I want to touch him. Finger reveal.
Hand reveal.
Arm reveal. Hey, that was disgusting, man.
That's what Jordan said. This is Jordan's YouTube channel and we're recording it because he's lazy. You ready, Paige? You ready?
Flying dildo.
Flying. Flying's her name.
What? I already exposed how you know. Why you weren't looking?
Oh, a fat axe. I like that. Sounds like a stupid name.
Oh my god, first person to enter this entire thing. First person on the YouTube channel.
I swear that was a firework. He's just dropped a firework.
First person we've ever seen on
We need a contract to put his face. Never mind, we got a contract right here. And
This is gonna be the best.
he's
Beware, the man is getting the fireworks. He is a wild tarantula grabbing the fireworks out of the cube. Paige, you can't say that you hope someone gets burned. This is family. This is family friendly.
Family friendly. Always pretend to be family friendly.
Flying dildos.
Look at that, guys. Going brown and then it's flying. And then the bits off of him is flying on his face. the bits off.
See this man, he's getting the fireworks. We're so excited. We're going to point it at the sky and we're going to miss 10 of them. And then we're going to finally get that one. And it was going to be the trash firework.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
And it's also kind of raining, so if you see shit on the camera.
Then fireworks are good.
I just rubbed the camera.
He's getting the best ones.
The best
oh my gosh, look at the fire.
firework.
Look at the fire. Yeah, do you know what the best fireworks are? The
What?
fire. I like the rocket ones. Yeah.
Oh, you know what ones I like? I like the ones that go.
No, I like the one that go.
Because you know what it reminds me of? You know what it reminds me of? No, it reminds me of peeing. It goes.
Okay, just put it on the fire for
Girls
go. Oh, he's putting it in the air. Look, he's putting it in the air,
Back,
guys.
people.
George, girls, do this.
Just keep boys.
George, look. Girls, do this. Girls, do this. Look.
First firework should go off any second.
It's still pointing at the man.
We're pointing at the
Fireworks
fireworks.
are going to be epic. They're recording this on YouTube.
I'm pointing at the red line. I'm pointing at the red line. Isn't the red line?
It's just making the fire.
Is it the red line? Is that a firework?
I think so, I don't know.
Shan, do you see the firework on the floor?
Guys, we gotta wait a minute.
Yeah, light it up, man.
Give us a minute. I will be back when it happens because Jordan's too lazy to take his own video. Mwah. It's coming soon.
No, I said
La, 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 la,
give
la,
us
la, la.
about 2 minutes. Down.
Actually, this is kind of cut out, so you won't be able to tell if it took long. Mwah.
The man getting the fireworks is having technical difficulties.
Please stand by as this firework will go off soon. Right, so the man said that he can't light the firework because he's scared that the fire is too close to the firework.
It's not standing on it.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh
It's
my
not
god.
a firework, it's a torch on the
Oh my god.
Talking about that. The red thing on the floor.
Oh my god.
rockets in there.
Jordan, that's
The
recording.
rockets in.
I've heard you say that.
I don't know. I'm having technical difficulties.
This guy though, Kayula, hurry up with our fireworks, my dude.
You idiot, hurry up, man. Do you know where you don't stand on it? Just it's over there standing on it. And if any more weights on it, it's going to collapse. You want me scared? Yeah.
Look at this. Jordan, you almost got your face in the YouTube video.
Yeah, Jordan.
Why can't we have your face in the YouTube video, Jordan?
Mum don't let me.
Exactly, so if you get your face in the YouTube video, what's going to happen?
She gonna be mad. You won't be able to upload it.
Exactly.
Can you make this video about 10 minutes? Because
It's already 8.
the other one that I made was about 8:82.
Oh, he's back. He's back.
The man's having technical difficulties finding the fireworks again. I think Shannon's was a man in the fire. No, he keeps pointing at the man. Guys, sing a funny dumb song.
I'm gonna die. Give me a sec while my shaky hand stops because Jordan's being stupid. He's coming out his hole. He's coming out his hole. He's coming out his hole. He's going out. He's going out. I'm low-key recording random notes. He's coming back.
Yeah, me.
He's coming back. And Jordan said dildos. And the camera's still recording.
Jordan knows how to bleep stuff, it's alright. No, don't. I know how to
Oh my
bleep
god, this
stuff,
dude.
it's alright.
I feel like this man is having technical difficulties because the red dildo in the floor might set on fire because of the fire and he's too scared to set it on fire because he'll win.
Shan, me. Yeah, you have to go in there. Say dildo because my friends don't.
The first one.
It's a firework.
Do you know what dildo
Dude.
Yeah, your first rocket going up. Look.
Jordan, don't.
Stand still now, look.
It's going. It's going. Like it wasn't that obvious already. That one was behind the pole. I'm so sorry, guys.
That way Shannon needs to stand here.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. The pole was in the way. So you didn't see that one. Another one. There we go. The man is coming back for more. We are so excited for this man.
Listen to how loud the bang is.
Told you.
Is he gonna light them both at the same time?
Let's go, fam.
Just one. There's actually two in there.
Light it. I'm so bored of you already.
Oh, no, I'm lying. Oh no, there's two. No, it's not going up. No, it's not going up.
This one's pretty,
Right, should we go now then?
pretty calm. That one was hella blurry for your YouTube, but mwah. Be right back again. Oh my god, this. Another one.
It's gonna record. Listen to how loud this bang is, man. Listen.
John says this one's really
Ignore the
loud.
kids. Just ignore them. Oh no, I just want to go in the air. I thought, you see that one where it went. This is the pissy one.
Apparently this is one that pisses.
Do you know how to bleep stuff out?
No. More fireworks.
I think this one's gonna.
We are getting closer.
This should be loud.
Apparently this is the whole box.
It looks like a whole box. I might be blind now.
Zooming out just in case. Zooming back in because it's loud and small. You see this one?
If we put the side, it's just one.
On flat wall.
It's just one them together. That's not the point of fireworks.
That's a what?
This is a whole box.
That hurt. He's sticking it in the floor. He's sticking it in the floor.
Oh, yeah, boy.
He's sticking it in the floor.
This is the one that you like.
Let's see, my dude. George, you might need to step back.
Yes, that's the one that's shining light.
That one's cute.
Shining light.
He put another one
This one's loud.
in.
This is loud. This one's loud. Wait.